My name is Matthew Tabacoli and my social issue is steroids. The purpose of my video is to inform people about the abuse of this drug. I want people in the community to be more aware about the use of steroids. How do you feel about the issue of steroids?
I understand that there are some people that need them for medical purposes, but at the same time, people that are using them illegally or they're using them in athletics, I feel like that there aren't enough consequences for them.
How do you feel about people who abuse steroids or athletes who use the drug to enhance their performance?
Again, I just think that there aren't enough consequences for them. They're used for the wrong reasons rather than like people needing to use them for medical purposes.
Are you aware about any of the concerns that the public has about the abuse of steroids?
I know that people are just aware of like athletes using them and then also people using them to kind of change up their hormones. But other than that, I don't think people are really aware of the effects that steroids can have on people.
What is your profession?
I'm a nurse.
Are you aware of the use of steroids?
I am and I'm not. I know that they use it in medicine and they also use it in sport. The athlete, when they want to enhance their performance, they take it a step further and they use it illegally.
How do you feel about the issue of steroids?
To be honest, it's not that it's not important. There are other issues that I'm more interested in, like the use of methamphetamine to increase energy, and I'm interested in that issue more than I'm interested in steroids.
Do you think you would ever get involved to try and stop steroid abuse?
Probably not. Probably not because, like I said, I know the use of steroid is serious, but for example, methamphetamine, like I said, I may get involved in that because I know that it's very common among like soccer moms, workers who are like paid less than the minimum wage and they want to work like more than 24 hours to keep their energy up, and may get involved in those issues.
Some people think steroids should be used to gain muscle mass. What do you think about that?
Um, I disagree with that belief because it's used for the wrong reason. Although they help you to gain muscle, but once you stop using it, your muscle mass will go back down, and the puffiness that it gives you, you can tell the difference between a person that works out and is active and builds muscle that way compared to a person that builds muscle with steroids.
Steroids are taken at many ages and levels of athletics. The higher the level in athletics goes up, there is a higher appearance of the use in steroids. So as you go up in the level of athletics, from high school to college and all the way to the professional level, steroids are more commonly used. Steroids have good reasons to be used and bad reasons. Many use steroids for the wrong reason and have no consequences or a very weak consequence. Although steroids can be used for medical reasons, they are being abused and there aren't enough consequences.